Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you Chevy Silverado 2500. That'll make a great work truck. Got the box on it. Pretty good shape, isn't all rusty or anything. We're gonna get a seat cover for that. That's will be fixed. Good low miles, 127. 056 6-liter automatic. I drove this 75 miles home, runs out good. The bad part is just some of the paint's corroded off. It's aluminum body, so that kind of like nice cabinet. Bed's in good shape. So nice affordable work truck. That front light there pivots, so you get that oxidation on these aluminum beds. So got shelving in there. The door's a little tight. Cabinets make it so whatever works for you. Must be the weather strip that's there. But nice clean truck, ready to go to work. 605-695-7391.